Hello, and welcome to another Spider Strategies Quick Score training video. This training video will teach you how to create a values import file in Excel to import multiple values for one time period into Quick Score via Connect. Before we get into the lesson, let's take a look at an example of an import file properly formatted and ready to be seamlessly imported into Quick Score Scorecard through Spider Strategies Connect. It's comprised of two simple columns, column A with the name of all the measures for a scorecard, and column B with values for each of those measures for one single time period. Let's get started with the lesson by logging in to Quick Score. From the Quick Score homepage, we'll get started by navigating to the far upper left, and in the navigation pane, select Scorecards. From the list of organizations, select the organization you want to work with. In our case, it's BSC One Time Period Many Measures. Select that organization and click the blue Select button. This will open that organization and give you visibility to any scorecards existing within the organization. In our case, there's only one. It's the BSC scorecard, and it's comprised of the standard balanced scorecard perspectives of financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Under each of those perspectives are a variety of objectives, and feeding each of the objectives are a variety of measures. You'll note as we scroll through the list of measures and look over on the right in the overview pane that there are no actual values for any of the measures, thus there are no scores for objectives, perspectives, or the overall scorecard. Our goal is, again, to create an export file that we can turn around and import back into the scorecard. It will contain all the measures for the entire BSC scorecard. So we'll highlight the name BSC scorecard and over to the right, select the Measures tab. This will provide us a view of all the measures throughout the entire BSC scorecard and some additional information about those measures. We really don't need the additional information about the measures. So we'll change the display options for this view of the measures and deselect any and all boxes that have checks in them. And then select OK. This will reduce the list of measures to just their names, which is really all we need to begin the creation of our import file that we'll use later. We need to export this out by sending this list to Excel. Click Send To, select Excel. That will create an Excel spreadsheet which is accessible in the lower left-hand corner of the Quick Score interface. Click on that Excel name to open the Excel spreadsheet in Excel. We may need to enable editing to be able to start working with this spreadsheet and cleaning it up. The first thing we want to do is remove the unnecessary rows 1 and 2 by highlighting them and deleting them. Next, we want to rename column A from measure to metric ID/name. This is the format that the Connect import utility expects a measure column to be named and will make the import process more seamless. Next, we'll move to column B and give that column the header or the name value. From there, it's just a process of entering the actual values for 1 month in the value column for each of the distinct measures throughout the scorecard. You can do this manually, or in a training video, you can just paste them all in very quickly and easily. Once the spreadsheet is full of the measures and the values for 1 month, which in this case is for July 2017, we can go ahead and save this spreadsheet. We'll do a quick and easy save as into a location that is accessible and easy to find. When we eventually get to the import process, we'll call it July 27 BSC values, and congratulations, you have created an Excel spreadsheet import file correctly formatted. Thanks for watching this how to create a values import file in Excel to import multiple values for one time period into Quick Score via Connect. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at helpdesk@spiderstrategies.com.